So I'll give you a quick update on what's happened. I was supposed to be traveling with my friend Aurelia. Unfortunately, Aurelia's got super sick, so Aurelia can't go on the trip. She can't fly. Her flight was on Friday. I just gave her a call and she doesn't think she's going to make it. I feel so bad for her because like, she was looking forward to this trip for so long. We'd planned it together, we'd booked things together, we researched where we would go, what we were going to do in New Year's, what we were going to do at Christmas, and we were going to ski together. I feel so bad for her, but it's a holiday of a lifetime, and unfortunately she's gotten unwell and can't go. Get well soon, Aurelia. I'm so sorry that you can't come on the trip because I'd absolutely love to spend the 2 weeks with you. So that's a little update on what's happening. So I'll be traveling alone on this one again. It's the night before Japan. So I fly to Japan tomorrow, super early in the morning. I fly to Cairns from Sydney, Cairns to Tokyo. I leave here at 6:15 AM. I arrive in Cairns at 9:15 AM. Unfortunately, I have a 4-hour stopover in Cairns, and then my flight to Tokyo is around 1 PM. So that's the flight. I'm super excited. I'm just going to run you guys through what I'm going to pack. It is winter in Japan, and it's going to be a totally different trip from my recent trip to the Philippines. But I feel like I can travel lighter than I did at the Philippines because I think I can get away with a super light backpack for Japan. Quickly run you through what's going inside the backpack in terms of clothing. One pair of chinos, cotton jogging bottoms for traveling on planes. Thick bottoms are a must. Tracksuit bottoms. These ones have got a zip goes right up the side. You can easily take them on and off. They're lighter as well, so you can layer them with under thermals. Hot springs in Japan. I'll need a pair of swimming shorts. The hot springs are called onsen, so they've got onsen all over Japan. 4 cotton t-shirts. Thick cotton's good for layering, putting it underneath a long sleeve jumper. 4 long sleeve tops, plan to layer with the t-shirts underneath. I've got this thermal one here. 2 woolen jumpers. It is winter after all. It'll be pretty cool. 1 merino wool and 1 just normal wool. So good for layering, nice and warm in the snow. Rainproof jacket with a hood. So this will go over all the layers. Waterproof. It all fits into this nice tiny bag. Nice and compact, good for traveling, and it looks pretty good as well. I tried it on, it looks decent. 1 fleece lined hoodie. Love this hoodie. It's got fleece on the inside, so it's super warm, super nice. I actually took this traveling to the Philippines with me. It's great on buses and planes and trains when you've got loads of aircon. Super warm, super comfy, and everything still needs packed. As I've been doing this vlog of what's going in, I've just been throwing it to the side. Usually when I'm traveling, you know, if I'm usually traveling for say 2 weeks, I'd bring a week's worth of boxers, week's worth of socks, and then after the first week, just get them all washed. It means you're not carrying 2 weeks full of boxer shorts and socks. It does take up quite a bit of room and they add up. Same with the clothes as well, which I've now finally started to pack. You know, after the first week, you can get everything washed, have everything fresh, and then you've got everything ready to go for the next week. Just running on quickly on the footwear. Casual trainers, Velcro trainers. They're breathable, easy to get on, easy to get off. So these are great for going through your airport security when they make you take your shoes off. I love these in the Philippines. I wore them everywhere. Machine washable. Pair of slippers. I'm thinking when I'm in, you know, my Airbnbs, hostels, and the ski chalet that I'm going to, they'll be perfect for just chilling out there. Alright guys, so on to the toiletries next. Keep everything in this toiletries bag here. In that bag we've got some moisturizer, spray plaster, disinfectant for the hands, comb, a razor and shaving foam. Got some strong painkillers, Rennie's soft chews, so these help with heartburn and indigestion. A little soap bar for the shower, ointment for the lips, good for skiing. Got my contact lenses, got Vicks, nail clippers, tweezers, underarm deodorant, toothbrush, toothpaste. So that's everything in terms of toiletries. Pretty compact. Everything fits into the carry-on bag. It's all under 100 milliliter. Easily goes into the top of the rucksack there. I had to bring this when I travel, and this is my sleeping kit. Got this on an Emirates flight when I was flying back to Dublin from Sydney, but I've altered it and added a few more bits and pieces. So this is melatonin spray. That helps you sleep right under your tongue, helps you relax. These are actually antihistamines. So I went into the pharmacy and asked the guy for some strong sleeping tablets. He recommended these. They're an antihistamine, but they have a side effect of drowsiness. Put you to sleep. If you can't sleep or travel on planes, they're pretty good. Eye mask, a pair of earbuds. So that all goes in here, and I usually put that at the very top. Whenever I'm jumping on the plane, I can easily pull that out. I also bring the memory foam neck pillow. All fits into this little bag here. A really compact neck pillow, and this is great for planes. I absolutely love this thing. I bought this when I was going to Bali. I've used this everywhere I go, even if I travel on buses, long car journeys, plane journeys, train journeys, even on boats, anywhere I go, this thing comes with me. It's well traveled. So I'll just show you quickly what came in the post. Japanese rail pass. You get the exchange order, which basically you take this to the train station when you arrive in Japan and you swap this for your pass. 46,390 yen, which is 512 Australian dollars. That'll get me around Japan for 2 weeks. Second part of the bad news, my drone, it was supposed to arrive today. Unfortunately, I woke up this morning to a new notification to say it was going to be pushed out until tomorrow. So no drone, and I'm alone. Sounds like the start of a poem. I just hope I don't lose my phone. So next I'm going to run through all the camera equipment that I'll be bringing with me. Canon 700D body. I bought this quite a while ago. It was good for photography when I was starting out, but I just haven't upgraded it yet. Body is the next on my hit list for a full upgrade. The lens going on the body is the Sigma 1.8 18 to 35mm lens. This is a great lens, great for low light conditions. Canon battery charger, Canon battery, memory card, SD card adapter, spare SD card, PGY Tech adapter for the GoPro, which is actually for the gimbal. That'll give me nice stabilized shots using the GoPro on the gimbal. Spare battery for the GoPro. Zhiyun Smooth Q gimbal. Here we've got the travel friendly Manfrotto tripod. A MacBook Pro 15-inch, 2TB Seagate hard drive. Then I've got my Sennheiser headphones. When I'm on planes, when I'm traveling, I can use these to edit. I can plug them straight into the Mac. Of course, we've got the GoProHero 5, which is on the selfie stick. Pretty much packed and ready to go. Got my rucksack packed. The only thing I need to put in is the laptop. These are the current ear muffs for my headphones that I've got at the moment. I just found these. I didn't know they were velvet, so they'll be great because it's going to be so cold in Japan. They'll be nice and warm in my ears. They need to go in, including my laptop, into the bag. Camera equipment, all pretty much packed and ready to go. Anyway, I'll be up at about 3 AM. Flight's at 6. I'll get up, make sure everything's finalized. I will check back in the morning. I'll maybe run through another few bits and pieces when I'm done here, just to make sure the vlog's covered off in terms of what I'm bringing, what I'm packing. If I've forgotten anything, I'll finish that off and I will check back in tomorrow. Currently, I'm living in Australia where I've been for the last 4 years. I'm living in Bondi Beach. This channel will be documenting all my travels over the next coming year.